The idea is not to hurt. Oh, no.
Wow.
Oh. There are some stings there.
Wait there.
Guys,
This is a sting through the neck, Robinson.
Big bird. He really rescued
In the neck. That's it. There. Now, there. Grab it. That's it.
The bird
Softly.
swallowed
Look how you have that. Oh,
And you know what? The fish had some.
No, do it more here. Do it more here.
Some-
Here.
What thing?
Oh, record it.
What did they call it?
Hey, record
Those
it.
stuffs that used to be in the fish distiller's
look.
cup.
YUL. Look.
It destroyed
No.
the bird's
This is
leg,
rotten.
like,
It's damaged. This fish.
What fish is it?
This is a kanchamala because it's so dirty. This animal is still hungry, my people.
Hit that. Look.
Look what it got into. These are the stings.
Come here. Bring the knife.
Bring the knife. Try not to crush it too hard so you don't hurt it. Look at the stings. It swallowed a nan. Take this channel out, please. We'll run it aground. V, the others were right there. You killed me. Yes, baby.
In there. Oh. Come on. Wait. Do you know what to do?
Turn up the engine. Turn up the engine real quick. Go up.
Let's go now. Let's go help this animal.
Guys,
Let's do it here
subscribe to my
because here it's
channel.
quick. Pull it up now with this. Dot. Okay. Come here now. Come on. Let go. Let's help this little animal. Grab it from below. Let's see, please. From here. There. That's it. I'm
Doing it.
Wait, try to grab it here to see. Look, it's stuck there. Poor thing.
What should we do? Let's cut it.
Wait, break it. Try to break it. Look here. They've tried to eat your fish and they've already pierced it on both sides and the top one is also stuck. Wait. Let's read this.
Oh.
Poor thing. Oh. Well, let's cut this one. Let's try that one. Look at this one here. It's coming out again here. Look, which one?
Look, see, that one.
Cut this one.
No, that one isn't cut. Look.
Wait, it's like a little bit of a ridge. V, this Paula of the Ankamala, my people, like
So
the one of the
guys,
Ray.
Look at that.
It goes in smoothly, but there's
How
going
did
to
they
be
do that?
a problem. There's going to be a problem. It's a little hurt.
Cut this one here.
Wait now. This one here. That one here.
Dot. Cal over here. Done. We're.
Looking at this one. And here, right now, what we're going to do is cut it.
Don't let go of its hand because it bites me. Let's.
Bend this one here. It won't let go. I mean,
Oh, poor thing. Done.
Dot. Wait. This animal is also very hungry. What? This thing is hungry, I think. This guy. Oh, take a fish. Fish. The good thing is that Joel's fish isn't rotten or decomposed. I think he already got out. I didn't put my hand in. Oh, take it hard.
Wow.
No, that hurt your hand, baby. Look,
Does
it's
he want
so
to eat
big. Look, my people, look, it's
Guys,
hungry.
this
Look,
man
look how big it
rescued
is. This is a big fish.
Big bird.
A big fish, you
He really
animal.
rescued the big bird with
Poor
one
thing.
hand.
No, don't throw it away.
The bird
Take a little piece
swallowed
and
the
try to
big
eat it like
fish.
this, animal.
And you know what? The fish had some
Let it.
what
Go
thing?
carefully.
What did they call it?
Let's wait.
Those
Try the
stuff that used
beach.
to be in the fish distiller. Oh, wow. It destroyed the bird's leg. Like what? Bird was trying to swallow it. And
Look at them over there. Cane, if I can work.
bird's neck. My goodness.
Fish can fly. Smell it right now, fly. I'm right now. Let's go.
Guys, subscribe to my channel. for
He's
more of
killing
this
my
videos.
people. We saved the little bird again. Let's go. Hungry. He's really stuck. Look at the other friends.